Hey Fearless fam, it's Coach Allie, and today we're keeping it super simple, safe, and easy for everyone. It's a great beginner exercise. It's one of my favorites. I usually start people here if they can't do a full push-up. If you are new to fitness or just getting back into movement, this is a great exercise to work on your chest, your shoulders, and your arms, so your triceps, without any added pressure to your joints. So let's set it up. You're going to start about arm's length away from the wall, facing the wall. Your hands are going to be at chest height, not too high, not too low. Now we're going to plant our feet firmly on the floor, tighten our core like somebody's about to poke you in the belly. And as you're doing this movement, you're going to make sure that you keep your back, hips, and legs in a straight line. Now to actually do the movement, the magic part, you're going to bend your elbows, keeping your elbows fairly close to your body. You're going to lower your chest to the wall as if you're trying to kiss the wall. And then you're going to straighten your arms, bringing it fully out. But when you do this, we want to make sure we stay nice and sturdy all the way up and all the way down. So you're pushing away from the wall, getting your arms fully straight, bringing your chest to the wall, and then repeat. A couple do's and don'ts here. Let's make sure we're avoiding letting our hips be too dipped in and allowing our hips be too high. Keeping your core engaged the entire time is important. You want to avoid feeling any pain in your lower back. That is a good indicator that your core is not tight. And you should feel this in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. 9 times out of 10, if you're just starting, you're likely going to feel it the most in your shoulders and in your arms until your chest develops enough to take over the main movement. Wall push-ups are an amazing way to build strength and confidence in your body before you move onto the floor. Make sure you perfect this. It'll make it that much easier when you get there. So there you have it. You've just learned how to do your first wall push-up adequately. Coming up soon is going to be how to do a full push-up or more modified floor versions of them. See you next time and stay fearless.